What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Gannon, you're watching Pacific Northwest Prospecting. Today I've brought you to Cape Disappointment for the second time because the first time I came down here and got a bunch of footage, I ended up losing that when my computer crashed. So I've brought you back here today so we could get a second day's worth of concentrates and see how much gold we can get. Right now there's a beached whale, I'm going to show you guys that in a minute, but I want to show you our setup. Let's go. So here we are all set up. That's my freedom-loving hippie woman right there. We've got the gold cube with the tail sluice, or circulating system. I like using a siphon so that my second tub stays nice and clean. My buddy Chris's setup is right here. He's just using the 5-stack today, no tailing sluice. And my buddy Jason's way over there. This is what we have to look at today. So this is a dead gray whale that washed up this morning here at Cape Disappointment. Cape Disappointment actually got its name because of all the dead bodies that washed up here after storms. This poor thing. So this is where we've been digging, in here amongst these trees. This is where I'm digging. And we're getting pretty good gold out of here. There are a lot of rocks in here, so we're having to classify them out. So it's really important when we're feeding the gold cube here at Cape Disappointment that you don't feed it too fast or too slow. If you feed it too fast, you're going to fill all of your riffles full of black sand and that gold's going to go right over the top. If you feed it too slow, you're not going to get enough sand moved to get enough gold to make yourself happy, and you might feel a little bit disappointed. We go at about a bucket every 30 minutes if we can, maybe up to an hour if the color is really good in it. Right now we're getting about 70 colors per pan. That's about the minimum that we would want for a good deposit here at the Cape. Normally we're going for around 100 colors per pan. We've been running this for a little while and the trade's getting full of gold, so we're getting pretty close to a cleanup, and I'll show you how that works here in just a minute. are tired. We've got everything packed up. We're gonna get this stuff back to the truck, and I'll see you back at home. All right, we made it home. That was a long day at the beach, so I took a few days off. Now that I'm rested up and the rains have gone away, we have 2 days of concentrates to run. The day that you saw me get, and the day that you didn't get to see me get because my computer decided to crash. So I'm gonna run both of these. When we come back, I'm gonna have both of these down to their nitty-gritty concentrates. We're gonna have them in the pan. I'm gonna pan out both of those and we're gonna see which day did better, the first day or the second. See you in a little bit. All right, there we go. 2 days worth of concentrates in the pan. I'm gonna sit here, pan all of it out. We'll see how much gold there is. I'm not gonna make you watch me do all that, so we'll just jump ahead. All right, there it is. Day 1, day 2. Let's see how much it weighs out. The truth. We have day 1 and we have day 2. Let's see how this turns out. This gold is so small it sticks to everything, but I gotta make sure I get every speck. Alright, let's get this on. This is my gold from the last video, which I'll put a link in the description. That's the 7.62 grams that you saw me get last time. Alright. Let's see how much gold we have on here. We have this zeroed out. Alright, day 1. Alright, 0.48. Not too bad. I didn't get to run that many buckets that day, so I'm fairly happy with that. Let's get that back in the pan. Let's see day 2. Bob Ross, eat your heart out. All right, let's find out. Day 2. Alright. 0.89. Alright. So I am not surprised with that amount. We hit that spot hard through the winter, And as you can see, we knew that we were getting less gold than as we were in the wintertime. But I am still very happy. Let's see how much gold we have in total for the 2 days. Last moment, that second day jumped up to 0.9. Oh no, we lost it. Let's get that re-zeroed. That was dumb. Alright. How much gold did I get for 2 days down there? .37 grams. Not too bad. Probably one of the lowest days I've had down at the Cape, but I'm okay with that. Any day where I get gold is better than a day that I don't. Alright, thanks for tuning in everyone. Until next time.